and welcome to Sierra Make. You all said that you enjoyed watching me try to make stuffed animals in the last stuffed animal video, so that's what we're gonna do today. This is the third episode of my Stuffy series, and in the first one we saw that I tried to use someone else's pattern. In the second one we saw that I tried to make my own pattern to make a mushroom stuffy, and so in this third one I'm going to use no pattern whatsoever. Already starting off with a fantastic idea. Let's go see how it turned out. So here are the fabrics I am using. There's that green from the frog stuffy and this tan from the mushroom stuffy, and I'm going to be using a black fleece. So I'm going to grab a bit of this black fleece first and stick the face on there using the embroidery machine. Like before, I've just put it on the embroidery hoop with that stabilizer on the back, and I'm going to pop it into the embroidery machine and start it up. So there's my cute little face. Now I'm just going to tear off the stabilizer and get started on the body of the turtle. So you might be wondering by now why the heck I put the face on a black piece of felt, and that is because I am not confident enough to do a turtle with arms and legs and a head and a tail yet, but apparently confident enough to do it without a pattern. So I decided to just try and make a turtle that's hiding in its shell, like these pictures that I'll pop on screen right now. So since I'm just making the shell of a turtle, I'm going to start by cutting out these round oval shapes out of my green fuzzy fabric, and then I also cut out that same oval in the tan fabric, which is meant to be the underbelly of the turtle. I don't exactly know how I'll sew these together yet, but we're just rolling with it, so here are our ovals. Now I'm grabbing some cotton batting, and I'm also going to cut that same oval out of it. And I also cut the oval out of some scrap fabric that had stains on it because it's going to be on the inside of the stuffed animal and you're not going to see it at all. So now I'm going to sew together that shell. I have the green fuzzy fabric on top with the cotton batting in between and that scrap piece of fabric on the bottom. And I'm just going to use a straight stitch here with a green thread and do that pattern that is on the back of turtles, that hexagon shape that's repeated again and again. So I'm just going to try and make that pattern with this machine. By using the cotton batting in between those two pieces, I get this kind of puffed up look to it, which makes the pattern stand out more and makes it more fluffy looking. Anyways, let's finish this up real fast. There's what our turtle shell pattern looks like. So now I'm going to take that other green circle that I cut out and snip it into a... I snipped the center of it out, and now I'm taking that round oval tan fabric and I'm going to try and sew that to the inside of that oval shape. Now here's where I kind of made a mistake. I should have given the turtle some depth to it. So right now it's basically going to be two ovals stuck together, and I really should have made it more like football shaped or like more spherical and less two-dimensional, but you know what? I'm doing it without a pattern, so it's bound to not turn out exactly how I was thinking. So anyways, I just sewed those two pieces together and left a little gap open to put the face in. I'm just sewing the top of that face to the green circle, but leaving the bottom open so I can flip it inside out. And I'm going to place that oval on top of the other oval. I'm pinning it now, and then I'm going to sew around that, and we will flip it inside out and see how it looks. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh gosh. Yeah, obviously I couldn't stop laughing at how it looked. It looks so ridiculous. But you know what, we're just gonna finish up this stuffed animal. I'm going to hand stitch that entryway closed. And once that's done, I added a little something extra. I just sewed around that green circle on the inside so that it would look more like the lip edge of a turtle shell. And it's all done. Here's what it looks like from the back of it. You know, the pattern on the turtle shell actually looks really, really cool. It's just kind of like flat. And here's what it looks like from the front of it. I can't get over how the front of it looks. It just looks so it looks so silly. Oh gosh, it doesn't look like a turtle from the front of it, but that's okay. I was going for a turtle hiding in its shell look like that, but I ended up with a kind of fried egg look. That's a really good idea. Maybe I should do a fried egg next time. Or like a cuttlefish. It also kind of looks like a cuttlefish. That'd be cute. Alright, we got some ideas. Anyways, please hit that like button if you like this video. Comment down below what stuffed animal you think I should make next time. Fried egg, cuttlefish, maybe. Share this video with other people who like stuffed animals. And subscribe because I post every Friday at 3. Thank you for watching.